Students, we are continuing the topic sectors of Indian economy. Previous class we discussed about the classification of sectors of Indian economy, and in that topic we discussed about the basis of economic activity, that is classification of the sectors of Indian economy on the basis of economic activity. We discussed that it was primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Today we have to take the two classifications of the sectors of Indian economy, that is on the basis of organization, organized and unorganized sector, and on the basis of ownership, that is private and the public sector. Now first we see the organized sector. First we know the definition of the organized sector, that is it is a sector where the employment terms are fixed and the employees are regular and they get assured work. It is known as organized sector. Now what is unorganized sector? We see it is one where the employment terms are not fixed and the employees are not regular. Moreover, the enterprises are not registered with the government, is known as unorganized sector. Now differentiate between these two, organized and unorganized sector. In terms of employment, first we see the organized sector. Fixed working hours, overtime wages paid, appointment letter issued at the time of appointment, salary received on fixed date. In terms of government control, registered with the government, follows rules and regulations given under various laws. In terms of job security, security of job here in the organized sector. In the social security benefits, paid leaves, sick leaves, provident fund, medical benefits, etc. are given in organized sector. Now come to the topic, that is unorganized sector. In terms of employment, no fixed working hours here, no overtime wages paid, no appointment letter issued, irregularity in paying salary. Now in terms of government control, outside the control of government, rules and regulations are not followed. In terms of job security, no job security. People may be asked to leave the job anytime. These all happen in the unorganized sector. Now in terms of social security, no paid leaves, sick leaves, medical benefits, etc. are given in unorganized sector. Now how to protect the workers of unorganized sector, especially in the rural areas. In rural areas, people like cobbler, small and marginal farmers, weavers, carpenters, etc. work in unorganized sector. They can be protected by providing loans at low rate of interest, providing inputs at storage and transportation facility, providing marketing outlets for sale of goods. Now in urban area, how they protect? In urban areas, workers in a small scale industry, casual workers at construction sites, rickshaw puller, rag pickers, etc. are the ones working in unorganized sector. They can be protected by providing loans at low rate of interest, giving support for marketing of output, helping in procuring raw materials. Now come to the on the basis of ownership, public and the private sector. A common usage of public is to distinguish between the public sector and the private sector, which essentially revolves around difference of ownership, that is collective ownership in the name of all citizens, versus individual ownership, and motive, that is social purpose versus profit. This is in public and the private sector. Now see the difference between these two. Public sector, organized by government, provides facility to the workers like fixed employment, fixed working hours. Main aim is to provide public welfare. Example, Indian Railways, hospital, parks, libraries, etc. Now, what are the qualities in the public sector? There is job security, generous benefits, more relaxed atmosphere. Now, come to the private sectors, organized by private or individuals. It does not provide fixed employment and fixed working hours to workers. Main aim is to make maximum profit for themselves. Example, there is a Kingfisher company and Reliance company, etc. Now, what are the qualities in the private sectors? More opportunities for promotion as the company grows. These jobs tend to pay higher salaries, more prestige, and the private sector is supposedly more efficient, less bureaucracy. These all are the quality in private sector. Now, these are some banks which are in the public and the private sector. So students, today we discussed about the classification of sectors of Indian economy, that is on the basis of ownership and on the basis of organization. Thank you.